Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel order on Dunkin app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So first head over and open up your Dunkin app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now on the bottom right corner of the screen you'll be seeing an option that says orders. Simply tap on that and here the orders you have ordered will be listed right here. Simply tap on the order and then there you'll find there are no options to cancel your order. Unfortunately, Dunkin doesn't allow order cancellations through the app once an order is placed. However, what you can do is call the Dunkin locations where you place the order, find the store's phone number in the Dunkin app under find a store, then explain your situation. They may be able to refund or modify your order. You can also visit the store in person if your order hasn't been prepared yet. Staff may be able to assist with cancellation or changes. Then, if the store can help, reach out to Dunkin support team by calling on the number 1800-4470013 or use the help or feedback section in the Dunkin app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.